Would you please welcome our 1997 Mid-Atlantic District champions, here to sing for you, Premier. Here they are.
Yo, mama looking good tonight, my dear. And one more thing, it's time you hear some happy music done in Premier style, a cappella. Looking mighty fine, so don't be blue. You're sitting here tonight with your daddy too. You paid your dough for the show and it's harmony, ecstasy. So lighten up, my lady, and smile for me, 'cause all of us here are good company. Come on, folks, smile a lot. We're here in a musical Camelot. The moral of our story is plain to see, that happiness sets your spirit free.
Sit back,
Relax.
Wake up, it's on with the show. So let a smile be your umbrella on a rainy, rainy day. And if your sweetie cries, just tell her that a smile will always pay. Whenever skies are gray, don't worry or fret. A smile will bring the sunshine. You'll never get wet. So let a smile be your umbrella. She wore blue velvet, whoa, bluer than velvet was the night, softer than satin was the light from the stars, she wore blue velvet, whoa, bluer than velvet were eyes, warmer than May, her tender sighs. Love was ours, ours was the love I held tightly, feeling the rapture grow, like a flame burning brightly. But when she left, gone was the glow of blue velvet, whoa, but in my heart they'll always be precious and warm, a memory through the years, and I still can see blue velvet through my tears. Velvet through
thank you, Bob, for leaving out the whoa, whoa, whoa chorus. We were waiting for it. We didn't. Thank you so much for all of our friends who came out from so many years ago, from various chapters all over the Mid-Atlantic District, our illustrious and beautiful judges, our tremendous MC, our family, our friends, my college roommate from an eon ago, and his family. Thank you so much, everyone, for honoring us with your presence and giving us a shot tonight.
Ride, glide, ride, slide, ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride, come on and ride, red, ride, come on and ride, red, ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride, come on and ride, red, ride, come on and ride, red, ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride, come on and ride, red, ride, come on and ride, red, ride, red, ride. Ride, glide, ride, slide, ride, red, ride. Well, take me to the friendly side, red. Stick out your chest with pride, red. Don't be ashamed when I call your name. My goodness gracious, Ruby, through me, bodacious. Paint the whole town red, red. You heard what I said. My goodness gracious, you thrill me bodacious. So ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride, red, ride. You better ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red, ride, red, ride. Ride, glide, ride, slide, ride, red, ride. Oh, well, a London Bridge is falling down. Why don't you let me go to town? Mop, mop, paint the whole town red, red. You heard what I said. My goodness gracious, you thrill me bodacious. So ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red. Come on and ride, red. Come on and ride, red, ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red. Come on and ride, red. Come on and ride, red, ride, red, ride. Come on and ride, red. Come on and ride, red. Come on and ride, red, ride, red, ride. Ride, glide, ride, slide. Ride, red. Ride, red, ride, red, ride. Ride, red, ride. Wow. Thank you. That's a lot of fun. What's next? Thank you. Whew. I do just have to say one thing. It is an absolute privilege for me to allow my son, who's 7, to actually see Daddy's old quartet live. Thank you so much, Alex, for being here. Woo! He's all excited. Look at him go. What kind of fool am I who never fell in love? It seems that I'm the only one that I have been thinking of. What kind of man is this? An empty shell, a lonely cell in which an empty heart must dwell. What kind of lips are these that light with every kiss, that whispered empty words of love that left me alone? any other man. And maybe then I'll know what kind of fool I am. What kind of clown am I? What do I know of life? Why can't I cast away this mask of clay and live my life? Why can't I fall in love till I don't give a damn? And maybe then I'll know what kind of fool I am. What kind of fool I am.
All righty, thank you.
Have a good time every day, 'cause you'll never get away from old man time, old man time, old man time. He's so mean, so mean. Meanest man, the meanest man you've ever seen. What I mean, he gives you youth and he steals it away, steals away. Takes your nice pretty hair, turns it gray. That's okay. He makes you rich, makes you poor. He's a dog, that's for sure. All your schemes and your dreams ain't worth a dime, not one thin dime. So have a good time every day, 'cause you'll never get away from old man, old man, old man time, old man time, that old man time, that bugaboo, boo-hoo. Every year he changes you. He bends your back, dims your eyes, you see less. You wake and quake when he's through, you're a mess, he's a mess. Makes you fat, thin or tall, he plays tricks on us all. Every year he changes you, no sense, no rhyme, it's such a crime. He gives you beauty, charm and grace, then puts wrinkles in your face. That's old man time. Live your life like you're running out of time. 'Cause baby, you can run, but you can't hide away. Make the most of each and every day. Don't worry about that old man, can't escape that cold man. Just ignore that old man time, old man. That old man time.
Ooh, that one shut down a bit. Wow. So, this song has been with us for a very long time, since the very first competition that we entered. It's become a very much a favorite of the quartets, as much as we'd like to thank our audience as well, and we'd like to leave you with our rendition of Sunny Boy.
Climb upon my knees, sunny boy. You are only 3, sunny boy. sunny boy. When there are gray skies, I don't mind the gray skies. You make them blue, sunny boy, sunny boy. Friends may forsake me, let 'em all forsake me. You pull me through, sunny boy, sunny boy. You were sent from heaven, and I know your worth. You've made a heaven for me. Right here on earth, when I'm old and gray, dear, promise you won't stray, dear. I love you so, sunny boy, sunny boy. You're sent from heaven, and I know your worth, and you've made a heaven for me right here on earth. All the angels, they grew lonely, took you 'cause they're lonely. Now I'm lonely too, sunny boy. I miss my sunny boy.
Sorry, guys. Thanks, guys. Got a little emotional. Thank you. Thank you.